Alright guys, in this quick tutorial I'm gonna show you how you can download Roblox Studio on your PC in 2023. So all we have to do is go to the main page of Roblox, roblox.com, and here we have to click on the Create tab, the third option. So click on Create. So you will be taken to another page. All you have to do is click on Start Creating, this button right here, the big button. So this will try to open up Roblox Studio. Simply click on Open Roblox. It will automatically detect whether you have the Roblox Studio installed or not, and since I don't, it automatically begins downloading it for me. So just give it a few seconds to download and install. It checks whether it's up to date or not, and as you can see, now after a few seconds, it has automatically been installed on our PC. So that is how you do it. If you haven't already logged in, or if it's your first time logging in into or opening the app, you have to log in with your account information right here. But as you can see, the Roblox Studio works perfectly. So that is how you install Roblox Studio on your PC in 2023. I hope this was useful. Don't forget to like and subscribe if it helped you out, and I'll see you guys next time. Goodbye.